Welcome back. You are now looking at a WordPress website. And if you have a domain name, it's one of the easiest ways to create a website or have a website builder. Within your WordPress website, you can control the appearance of that website using themes. And you're typically going to have themes available to you, or you can choose a new theme connected to your WordPress website. What you can do is you can go within your themes and find the kind of theme that you want. WordPress gives you a feature filter. This will allow you to search among the free themes that are available with WordPress so that you can have what you want in a theme. So for example, you can choose certain elements, you can choose certain features, and you can choose certain layouts. Once you apply your filters, WordPress will show you the themes that will be available to you that you can customize for your purposes. What you can do is you can then install your theme. You can then activate your theme. What you have done is you have now created a different look for your WordPress website. If you want to see what another theme may look like, you can go to the themes that are available. You can click on Live Preview. This will show you what your theme will look like once it's on your site. You can also control the functionality of your WordPress website. You can do that with the plugins area. What you can do is to go to this Add New Plugins. That will bring you to this area. And you'll be able to see recommended WordPress plugins that will be free to you, or in some cases you'll be able to initiate a trial to determine if the plugin will work for you. It's a good idea to make sure that you have backed up your WordPress website before you have installed any plugins. You'll also want to do background research on any plugin to determine if the plugin is going to be safe and if it will work with your existing plugins. Now, as an author, you may want to write on a regular basis, and typically you are going to use the blog feature inside of your WordPress website. That will mean that you will be using the posting area, and you will click Add New Post. And you will use this area to write new posts on a regular basis to add to your WordPress website. You will be able to manage all of your posts from the dashboard inside of your WordPress website. And so by installing a WordPress website, you'll be installing a home base for all of your activity that won't cost you any more than your existing hosting account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.